Hello, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to week 16, so first day. So today is Monday, and guess what? You guys are probably wondering like what's up with this whole lighting situation. And basically, I have gotten this lamp, I guess, study lamp or a desk lamp, office lamp, or whatever it's called, and yeah, it's pretty cool, not gonna lie. So it's very bright and I can adjust it to my liking. It is the Philips one. I don't know which model exactly to call it, but yeah, I guess uh, I do have a little bit of trouble setting it up. Like once I set it, I just leave it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Well, apart from that, I was actually wondering. Not wondering, I was planning on like keeping this new system for studying. Do pardon this lighting. So yeah, basically the weekly logs are going kind of randomly. It's not leading me anywhere. So what I decided yesterday while I was brainstorming, like post uploading the video, I was brainstorming on how I can improve the series or how I can like improve the documentation. So what I came up with is what if I just keep weekly targets on the Monday, and then Sunday we'll just have a review of how much of that I achieved, like complete it or not, and all of that. So basically, I was thinking just why not we just do that, and it'll also be like progressive. It'll be showing you guys how much I'm working, and yeah, and today I haven't really thought of what to do, and I'm really tired. It's 9:36. Today we had a team contest in our college of from Smart Interview side. It wasn't too bad this time. I did get to solve an optimized approach of a question, like using prefix, some logic. So that was really exciting. To say the least. But yeah, apart from that, is there anything else? Yeah, today completely it was a practice session, and then we had this internal team contest, which was really exciting. I'm not gonna lie. And this new lamp, I got it, so it was a recommendation from my friend, and so that I can just see the study table and just have my eyes over here and not get distracted. Yes, it's just an olden day style of a candle where a candle runs out, but this light won't run out until and unless I just manually turn it off. So yeah, this is kind of cool. And yeah, I need to get better at competitive programming after today's session. Like the topics that I have done previously, binary search needs a little bit of improvement. And along with binary search, I feel my greedy and yeah, greedy is supposed to get better. And this semester, I have like data design analysis of algorithms, and it has dynamic programming. So I need to get into that because it's the current topic that's running. So I need to learn dynamic programming. Yeah. Well, it is gonna be an interesting journey, and I think I'll be like setting my week this week's goals like tomorrow, and I will show it to you guys tomorrow, and let's see how it maps out, how I work on it. So basically, how this thing is supposed to work is I set a goal, like a long-term goal, and then I break it up into small monthly goals if it is higher than like 3 6 months, and then I set monthly milestones, and monthly milestones get cut into weekly milestones, and weekly milestones get cut into daily actionable steps. So yeah, that is basically what how it is getting mapped out, and yeah, that's about it. I'll try to do that mapping tomorrow because right now I just had amazing dinner and I wanna sleep. I also wrote a little bit of records. So why is my video lagging? Okay. So I also wrote my record work quite a little bit, and I also took a time lapse video of writing it. Maybe I'll play it on the screen. But yeah, that's about it for today. And apart from that, I realized I have to clean my desk. It's a little bit dusty. And these are small optimizations that I'm making as I'm getting older, like this lamp and this desk right now. So yeah, that's about it. I'll have to get up morning and go to the gym. Tomorrow is Tuesday, so tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow is a holiday, so no college. So I can sleep nicely now, wake up, go to the gym, come back, and I can, instead of run to college, I can just relax and have my breakfast and maybe sleep again for some time. And I don't know, I'll do something. Okay. I'll get back to you guys after mapping out the whole like monthly, weekly, and daily things as discussed right now, and I'll I'll get back to you tomorrow. Hare Krishna. Okay. Hey folks, it's time to reveal what goals that I've set, but it is with grave news, grave misfortune that yeah, what does that mean exactly? It is this with great yeah, I cannot really recall it at this moment, unfortunately. It is with great honor that I present to you that I did not break it down into weekly chunks yet, but yeah, I have like decided of like a few things that I need to do for this year at least, and I decided that I would go on a new approach, and I searched a lot of templates on how I can gamify my life so that I can track my skills. So tracking them really, I think, as a person uh, in IT or whatever, I think tracking is great because the people, if it's trackable, it's improvable. So yeah, based off of that principle, I'm going to track most of my things. Whatever I can track, I'll track, and I can improve on it. Is what I'm hoping for. Let's see where that leads me. And yeah, this free Notion template of yeah, it's really interesting. It's called Life Game Mode, and I think I'll leave a link of this resource. It'll be down in the resources section in the description itself. So yeah, it is of some YouTuber called something. So I don't know if I'll get a copyright strike just for showing this. I'm not selling this. I'm just a user, and so far the interaction with this template has been good. I see a lot of work has gone behind this thing, and honestly, man, respect to this guy for giving it away for free. Not gonna lie, and yeah, that's about it. And yeah, this new questions from Code Forces I'm trying, and it is really not budging. So I don't really know what to do when these questions aren't budging. So there's nothing I can do. So, but it's okay. I can just sit with questions for a while and try to solve them. It's no big deal. And I've also decided on a few subjects that I would like to clear for this week. And my record observation, I'm just looking at my board in front of me and I'm just reading it out. My record observation are looking pretty decent. There's been a huge improvement. It has come from zero to all the way till like almost 80% over, and the syllabus has been done up till 85%. So I'm at 80. So that's a huge improvement. And yeah, today I did go to gym as I promised I would. And tomorrow is gonna be a rest day. And yeah, after all the tearing of muscles, and now it's time to cool them off and give them time to rest and repair. Yeah, that's about it. I did not do my chanting today. I'll just complete recording and I'll get on that. So yeah, that's about it. Tomorrow I have my training and placements, and I'll have to. I guess linked lists are gonna be over. So next topic, I don't know what next topic would be. So it's I'll see what happens. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next day. I'll see you guys tomorrow, where hopefully I did break it down into weekly chunks. And but I also know like what daily actions I must take for me to achieve these 2026 goals or objectives, you could say. But yeah, I really feel I can do better when it comes to breaking it down into smaller chunks. So yeah, I'll see you what I can do with them. Okay, guys, that's it. I'm signing off. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hare Krishna. Okay, guys, welcome back to the weekly log series. And today is most definitely not the day that you would expect of the log. It is not Wednesday, I believe, or I don't know when I recorded last. So it is Friday today. So I'll just give you a whole roadmap of the week which went through. So Wednesday, the contest was there. I was supposed to record on Wednesday and Thursday, so I just I don't know. So time just went very fast, and I did not get time to go through the recording. So yeah, Wednesday the contest was actually amazing. The coach of contest. I actually wanna like show you guys like what uh, things that I did. Uh, so yeah, the contest was pretty simple to say the least or something. So yeah, the first question, second question were pretty okay. It was pretty simple. I like sped through it pretty easily. It wasn't that tough. It was like maybe 2 minutes may or 5 minutes may. Okay, let's just see how much time it took me, right? So the aftermath is where am I? See, I'll just search my name. Uh, Yeah, this is me. So yeah, it took me 40 minutes, and why isn't it showing me the timings of how much like when did I do which question, right? I guess I won't be given that data, but yeah, it was you get the point. I sped through all of these, and the binary construction question, I thought I understood the question, and then I gave a solution which was honestly, well, I did pretty fast. I wrote the code and then I just submitted it, but it was not the solution. Then I wrote it again and I submitted two times. And this is the solution that like I saw it on YouTube and then I did it after the day of the contest. This was not the contest day. So I just wanted to see like what dumb solution could this be? Because I know this question isn't like that high. It's just an intuition based thing, and I tried my best to like draw out all the intuitions. I can maybe show you on the screen like what all I drew. But I just couldn't like I'll just show you my first submission. And so my first submission is this pattern where it's just all zeros and the last one has a one. But the pattern was, if you look at it, it was starting May 10, and then all ones, and then at last there is a zero. So it was a zero and like it was a standard fixed pattern for the optimal solution. And I could not crack it. I tried to do n is equal 3, 4, 5, but still I could not get through the core logic. So I guess that's a bummer. Maybe that's learning. Maybe next time I can do it a little bit differently. Instead of only doing the standard ones, I can test also for the middle ones. I mostly tested for starting and ending ones. I did not test the middle ones. So maybe that's where I'm lagging there. And yeah, that was all for Wednesday. And Wednesday was pretty exciting. Thursday, yesterday, it was pretty much mostly it was given for getting back on this training sheet. So this is not my own training sheet. It's this sheet of some other person. If you guys want its link, just comment and I'll just send it. Yeah, and Thursday I had gone to the residency. We had a huge like gathering there, folk residency. So yeah, it was amazing. And yeah, today I took a leave from college and I decided I would take a leave and write my record and assignments. Though I did write it pretty slowly, I did write. Okay, cut me some slack. It's only me in the house, and the environment isn't, you know, best suited for me to give it my best. I guess I don't know. Or you could say I'm making excuses. You could say. Uh, So yeah, that is it for this. And hey, my lead code profile has been updated. The contest rating has updated. Nice. It's not too bad, I guess. Yeah, yeah. My code forces. So this question, this keyboard question that I did today, honestly, it had me tripping. Honestly, like not this question. I'll show you which question had me tripping. Actually, twins. Was it this? I think it was this question. Wait, no, not even this. Yeah, the Oath of the Night. Yeah. So I took it like six. I took six submissions for this question. Like literally, wrong answer on 10, wrong answer on this, wrong answer on that. Literally, it was it was a pretty simple question. I was overthinking it. It actually happened last night. This question I did last night. I was pretty sleepy. I came back from the residency around 9:30, 10, and I'm pretty tired. And yeah, I decided to do this with my brain on sleep mode. But yeah, after some tests and tribulations, some trials and tribulations, I got through and got the correct solution, which was pretty basic. And the solution is basically this. You guys can try it out. It's from the contest of code was around 399 div 1 plus 2 combined, and it is the A question. This is pretty simple. Many people see div 1 and 2 and they get what scared, but A and B are supposed to be relatively like intuitive and easier, constructive based. It is following a pattern, so it's not completely not crackable. It's crackable. So yeah, I heard C and D are mostly like DP and maths and this and that. So I'm still building myself up in that domain. Yeah, that is it for today. And yeah, I'll see you guys pretty soon then. Hope I'll see you guys tomorrow, Saturday. I don't know if I'll go tomorrow to school, college or not. But yeah, that is it for today. I hope this new lighting didn't like showed my face clearly, or I don't know if it's too bright. Let me know, guys. This doesn't have an intensity filter, unfortunately. So yeah, I'll see what I can do about this. Okay, guys, then that's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back. This is not gonna be our normal thing, but I just wanted to show you guys this crazy question that I was doing. So the question is even odds. So this question had me like, I don't know, I think I spent like half an hour or like 20-30 minutes on this question. And honestly, I didn't know how to solve it. The starting, of course, I didn't know how to solve it, but then I cracked the logic. So yeah, so 10 power 12, right? So I cannot use extra space. I thought initially I could use an array or something and then just simulate it, but then it's 10 power 12. I cannot store those many things in. I'll get memory limit exceeded. So yeah, and then I tried different approaches. I saw the inputs, blah blah blah, and then I was tracing on my papers, right? I think I'll put it on the video, like if um, I have these papers while I'm editing the video, I'll definitely put it up. So yeah, so I'm mapping all of this, and then I come up with this logic, and I try to submit it like one time, two time, and first time I submitted, like the logic is this. Yeah, I've tried it with multiple test cases. It's all running and it's passing perfectly. I mean, these three I have personally added, and this one I added later on after a failed test case. This one, this one I only added. But yeah, so basically this is the whole logic of the code. So if n is odd, this is the logic. If it's even, this is the logic. And it's pretty same, just one plus one and not a plus one is there. So yeah, it took me quite a while to map it out and things for like it took me some time for things to click. And my first code initially it gave me some garbage value on this line, 2 star D. So you guys can see that 2 star D, like signed integer overflow, 2 star cannot be enter represented in like integer thing. So yeah, it gave me an overflow error. So 2 star D, I took D as int when I know that there is 10 power 12 over here, it's literally 10 power 12, and I took it as integer. Okay, so that's not too bad. Okay, I like changed it up and then, oh my god, okay, yeah. So I changed it up and then I again submitted it. But this time, what happened is I got this random answer, which I know is wrong. Just after looking at it, that's also a garbage value, and then I put it over here, and I did a simple change. I just put 2ll over here, like instead of not using an integer or just 2 star k, I just used 2ll, right? And now after I did that change, you guys can see over here there isn't right. Oh my, okay, okay. So that was on the change over here. So yeah, the change was I have still used int d is equal to k minus this. So yeah, really shows like I used int over here again. And once I changed that to my LL like long, then again I submit it. Now it happily accepts for like 25 test cases, man. So my logic was correct for all of these all of these submissions, just the data types, man. Uh, okay, well, that's it for now. I'll meet you guys pretty soon, maybe in the evening. It's currently 11:21. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Hello guys, to welcome back to the Saturday's log itself. This is not Sunday yet. So morning I showed a little bit of overview of what I was solving and all of that. That was an interesting question. And yeah, um, so this ends the Saturday's log. It's time to see you guys tomorrow. Okay, I'm just kidding. But what I basically did was I wrote my like design analysis and algorithm subjects assignment. And man, there's a lot of work looking at the next week that's coming. She, there's a lot of things that I need to keep in mind. which I wrote on my whiteboard over here. So there's RTRP, and then there is my globs that need to be done. So the project work, it's gonna be done pretty like the coding part, I can handle it. But the documentation part, man, it is such a drag. This documentation, even in the RTRP thing, oh my God, it's such a pain. So in the RTRP, I need to train the model. So it's a real-time research project. I need to train the model to become like currently it's 80% accuracy, or it can show accurate results for about like 80% of the classes. So about 18 or 16 something out of 20, I believe. So yeah, we need to train it a little bit more. So I think I'll just do that tonight. I'll just put my laptop on it and I'll keep the charger on and I'll just go to bed. When I wake up, hopefully I'll wake up to something good news. Initially, I had actually trained it for a full thing, but what had happened was, yeah, my laptop midway it just shut down, so we cannot do anything. No, I did keep charging, I believe. No, I did not keep charging. So yeah, things happen. And coming to my G log or Grit lab on board, I think that's what it's called. So yeah, I have two projects to deliver. First one code is done, second one code is also done, I believe. It's supposed to be done by my friend. So for OS, for operating systems, I believe my friend Vivek can do the documentation, and whereas FSWD, I don't really know who can do it. Uh, Maybe I'll hand it over to someone. Right. Either ways, I need to give it my even better, honestly, because I on the starting of the week I wanted to do OS, CO, and EAE, like studying them pretty well, but the graph has not moved at all. Like I'm tracking what I'm studying, right? But there's nothing that there is like to be done because there's nothing that I studied, so there's no tracking that was done. I mean, tracking is being done, but there's no improvement. So yeah, but hey, there is improvement in my writing work. The assignments are depleting, and the record work and the observation has reduced a lot. Okay, I just have to work on theory part now, and yeah, that's about it. I really need to get my things together and do some work. Yeah, comparative programming is also pretty fun. This number theory, this and that. I never really got, this much nice guidance anywhere else. Like comparative programming, the YouTube videos, the tutorials, and all of that, it's like honestly next level. The explanations are so nice. They're so, easy to understand as well, and it finally makes sense. So yeah. I think it's gonna stick. Comparative programming is here to stay, is what I feel. Yeah, that is about it for today, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, my plans, I'll be going to temple tomorrow, so yeah, not I'm not gonna be attending Mangalarti, so I'll mostly go around 3 o'clock something. So I'll have to edit, upload, and all of that before that time itself. So yeah, that's about it. So tomorrow's plan is I'll wake up, I'll write the lead code contest at 9. No, it's at 8 a.m. So yeah, at the lead code contest at 8 a.m. And then I have like 5 pages remaining for my assignment. I'll write those 5 pages. Next is yeah, what is next? 5 pages this, yeah. And then I'll just record the video and then I'll come back. That's it. And coming to the part of my Glog and RTRP, I think, so let's see the calendar, shall we? So yeah, 21st, 20, okay. So our last RTRP review is on 28th, and our meds start from around this time. So looking at how this week is going on, maybe I can. Tomorrow is gonna be occupied. Monday I'll be doing comparative programming only. Monday, Tuesday I have training, so it's gonna be mostly linked lists and all related to that. No, actually I've come to trees, so it's gonna be related to trees. And Wednesday, I think Wednesday do I give it to? Yeah, there is some thinking that I need to do. That's clear. So I guess Wednesday I can give it to doing this writing work and all. And then, but still there's something else because Wednesday, I feel it should be given to, it's a free day Wednesday basically for me. And I feel I should give it to competitive programming again. So basically, the questions or topics that have been left out before, not in code forces, but in interview bit or lead code, I can do that. Is what I'm feeling. Internalize the patterns, kinda. So yeah, yeah, it's pretty. Uh, I'm getting the hang of it to be honest, but yeah, not to brag or anything. So Thursday and Friday is gonna be my regular college days, and Saturday, this Saturday, what is it? One, second, third, fourth. So this 25th is gonna be fourth Saturday, which is a holiday. That's a good thing. So Thursday, Friday, and Saturday is leave. So Saturday, I think this documentation work will be easily completed. Okay, not a big headache, and then we can focus on doing the theory subjects as well. The theory subjects aren't gonna study themselves. They need they require my time, attention, care, blah blah blah. Okay, well, this is getting a bit too emotional and touchy. Either ways, I think it's getting pretty late. It's what it's like 11 right now. If you guys can see it, yeah. So it's practically 11 p.m. right now, and Preetham Rao is signing out. So see you guys tomorrow. Hare Krishna. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Sunday's vlog. Come back to today's vlog actually. So yeah, today is Sunday. So uh, yeah, I just wanted to say that I just yeah yesterday what we discussed that I would wake up today, write the contest, and then after the contest I'd write my assignment, and then I would upload the video. I'll record and I'll upload the video. So that was the plan. So what happened was I woke up a little bit later than the 8 o'clock timestamp. So after 8 o'clock, like 8:20 also, if I start the contest, right, my rank will be pushed out very much. And due to that, my rating will be reduced. And for that reason, that sole reason, I did not wake up to attend the contest. The contest was a no-go, no-show. And instead, what I did, I woke up, I went and took some sunlight. I sat in the sun, poured some water to the plants, and then after that, yeah, I came back. I took bath and I had my breakfast, and now I'm recording this. So yeah, now basically all I need to do is write my assignment, and if possible, I'll write the virtual contest of the lead code thing if I have enough time before I head out to the temple. So yeah, that's about it for today. And yeah, one more important thing that we were discussing in this previous week was my weekly goals, which wasn't implemented. I mean, I had like a vision, like a weekly goal ka vision, and a part of it was two main things. One was academic theory subjects should be like some progress has to be made, and another thing was my writing work has to be like a lot of progress has to be done in that domain. Uh, the bad thing is the theory subjects I did not like progress in that, but my writing work I did progress a lot. So you could say it's 50% completion, and I feel I can do things better when it comes to like tracking things and writing things down. So yeah, I think I'll have to do something about it. I keep saying the same thing, but yeah, I really don't know how to do that yet. So I'll figure it out pretty soon. So hopefully next week I can start implementing it. Okay, well, that's it for today, boys. And I'll see you guys in the next week's vlog.